Ever wonder how much to charge for feet pics in 2025? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned seller on FeetFinder, this video is going to be your ultimate pricing guide for the rest of the year. Let's talk real numbers, bundles, and what top earners charge right now. Some sellers rake in thousands monthly, while others barely make coffee money. The difference? Pricing. And a lot of people get this wrong, but today we're gonna set you up for success. Let's start with the basics. As of 2025, these are the typical prices on FeetFinder and other platforms. Beginner shots are going to be $5 to $10 for simple, non-custom feet pics. Standard bundles are going to be between $10 and $25 for theme sets like a pedicure or beach feet. Premium custom pictures are going to be $25 to $50. These are going to be personalized angles, outfits, or settings. And then you're going to have custom video clips, which are going to be 50 to 100 plus. And these are going to be short videos with specific requests. So if you're new, you want to start between $5 and $10 per picture. Once you have built trust, refined your style, and grown your subscriber or follower base, you can confidently charge between $20 and $50 or even more for custom content. Pricing isn't just about your feet. It is about the whole experience you deliver. And here's what matters. For photo quality, you want to have clear lighting, a good camera, and professional editing. For niche appeal, there's things like soles, high arches, socks, and specialty angles. Customization is going to be personalized requests, names, and specific outfits. The exclusivity is going to be limited time offers and exclusive sets that you provide. Packaging, you're going to have bundles, branding, and professional presentation. For example, a simple barefoot selfie might go for $10, whereas a personalized high heel photo with a name written on your sole could easily go for $45 to $75. Want to earn more without extra effort? Bundle your content. For example, if you do something like 3 photos for $25, 5 custom pics, plus a short video for $60, or even monthly themed collections for loyal buyers. Bundles add value. They encourage buyers to spend more money, and you make more profit with less effort. Income scales with effort, but here's a quick snapshot. New sellers, typically the first month range is going to be $150 to $500, with photos listed for $5 to $15, and entry videos around $20. For steady creators, once the reviews start rolling in, most active sellers move content daily or weekly and clear $500 to $1,500 a month, with top earners with more polished branding, bundles, and social media promotion. The best creators typically make around $5,000 plus monthly. Here's some pro tips. You want to post 2 to 3 times a week, bundle sets for higher cart totals, keep all chats and payments inside of FeetFinder, it's very important, and use watermark teasers on Twitter and TikTok to drive traffic. Treat FeetFinder like a micro business. Price smart, post consistently, and the numbers will follow. Now you've got your current pricing strategy, but remember, your branding and customer experience matter just as much as pricing. So always respond to buyers, post consistently, and always try to elevate your content. Want a deep dive into how to promote your feet pics next? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to anyone who needs a boost in their feet pic pricing today.